Hare Krishna. Hi everyone, welcome.
In this video, we are going to write a Java program to print greatest common divisor of a given numbers. For example, there are two numbers 20 and 40. Greatest common divisor for these two numbers is 20. Let's practically implement this using Java program. Let's add a main method. We'll take an input from the user using a scanner class. Scanner is the inbuilt class from the java.util package. Scanner SC is equal to new system.in. We'll print message to the console asking user to enter the first number using system.out.println. We read the first number using a inbuilt method from the scanner class sc.nextInt. We store it into a variable number1 of integer data type. We again add one more print statement asking user to enter a second number. We read that using xc.nextInt method, store it into a variable number2 of data type integer. Once we have two numbers, we need to find the common divisors of these two numbers using a for loop. For int I is equal to 1, I less than number 1 and I less than number 2, I plus plus. Let's add a if statement. If number modulo I is equal to 0, and number 2 modulo I is equal to 0. That means whenever we divide a number 1 and number 2 with a I, if the remainder is 0, we store that number as a greatest common divisor. Let's declare and initialize a variable int GCD is equal to 0, and we perform this iteration until we reach the condition where I is less than or equal to number 1 and number 2. That's all. Let's print a message to the console using system.out.println. Greatest common divisor of number 1 and number 2 is GCD. Let's run the program. Enter a number 20, enter second number 40. Greatest common divisor of 20 and 40 is 20. The program is working fine. Let's debug the program to understand the complete logic. Enter a first number 2, enter second number 4. Control is reached at line number 14 inside the for loop. Number 1 is having the value 2, number 2 is having the value 4. Initially I is having the value 1, 2 by 1 is 0, 4 by 1 is the remainder is 0. The condition is satisfied. Now GCD is 1. Now 1 will be stored into a variable GCD. I is incremented by 1. We will check condition number 1 divided by I, that is 2 by 2 is equal to 0s, and number 2 modulo I 4 by 2 is equal to 0s. The condition is satisfied. We again enter into that if statement. We update 2 into the variable GCD. Now I is incremented by 1. I is having the value 3. 3 is less than or equal to number 1. Condition is not met. Loop is terminated. We print the greatest common divisors of number 1, number 2 as GCD. GCD is having the value 2. The greatest common divisor of 2 and 4 is 2.
Thanks for watching.